Hi friends, how are you? Welcome back to my channel Technical Eye. Today I am going to discuss about how to find out lost mobile or stolen mobile devices using the Find Hub. By default, Find Hub is available on all Android phones when you add Google account. To check, just open settings, scroll down, tap on Google services. Here you can find the Find Hub. From here you can open the Find Hub. Otherwise, there is another way also to open the Find Hub. Tap on Go Back and go to the Play Store. Open Play Store. Tap on Search. Type the app name Find Hub and click enter. So from here you can install and open the Google Find Hub. In my case, I already installed the Find Hub app. Just tap on open. So after you tap on open, it will ask for the password or pattern. Please enter your password. So after you enter your password, it will display two options. Continue with your name, otherwise sign in as guest. So if you are using your mobile device, continue with your name. If you are using others mobile device, tap on sign in as guest. So after you tap on sign in as guest, it will ask for the name. Please enter your name. And after you enter your name, it will display the mobile devices. Here you can find out how many mobile devices are using your Google account. In my case, my Google account is added on two mobile devices, Galaxy A55 and Galaxy A10. So in this way, you can find out how many mobile devices are using your Google account. So just imagine Galaxy A10 is lost actually. So, so tap on this lost device, Galaxy A10. So after you tap on the last mobile device, it will display three options: play sound, secure device, and get directions. So just tap on this play sound when your device is nearby. So if you suspect if your device is nearby, just tap on this play sound. So here will hear the sound actually. I mean the mobile will ring. So just tap on the play sound. So the mobile is ringing. So here you can read also to stop the sound. You can also press the power button on the mobile device. To stop the sound, just press the power button on the mobile device. So in case the mobile device is in silent mode also, it will ring actually, no problem. If the mobile device is in silent mode also, it will ring actually. So, but use this option when you suspect if your the device is nearby actually. Just use this play sound option when your device is nearby. And one more option is secure device. So if you want to secure your device, just tap on this secure device. So here you can see actually how it will works. You can read the points here. I mean, so the device will be locked with pin pattern or password. In case there is no screen lock, I mean if there is no lock for your mobile device, you can set also actually. And the payment cards will be removed from your Google Wallet. So generally we add the debit card or credit cards to the Google Wallet, right? Google Wallet or Samsung Wallet we add, right? So we can delete also the payment card. We can remove the payment cards also by using the secure device actually. Tap on this secure device. So after you tap on the secure device, in case if you want to convey your message to the person who got your mobile actually, you can convey your message also. I mean, you can send the message also to the person who got your mobile. So just to enter your mobile number and the message you want to send it to the person actually. So enter your mobile number is optional only. Enter your mobile number and enter the message. I lost my device. So whatever the message you want to send, you can enter the message also here. So after you enter your mobile number and the message, just tap on the secure device. So the message will be sent to the person actually. So here you can see like this actually. Your message will send to the person actually. I lost my mobile. I lost my device or mobile. Please call me. And your mobile number also will display to the person actually. The person who got your mobile actually. Like this, the message will send to the person actually. This is best, the best with, the best way to the secure your device actually. And third option is get directions. Directions. I mean, if you want to reach your mobile through the Google Maps, you can use this get direction. Just tap on this get direction and tap on the directions. But in my case, my both mobiles are located at same place, so you didn't find much distance actually because my both devices are located in the same place actually. That's why you didn't find any distance actually. Just tap on start actually after you got your tap on the start. So you want to reach out to your mobile through the Google Maps, just tap on this get directions. In my case, my both devices are at the same place only. That's why it is not showing much distance. And yes, if you want to measure the distance also, you can measure also. Tap on this measure distance. It is showing 0 kilometers actually because the both mobiles now are located at same place. So in case if you want to measure the distance also after you lost your mobile, you can measure your distance. And any of these, if any of these three options won't work, the final solution will be actually to factory reset your device actually. To factory reset your device, just tap on the settings icon. So tap on this factory reset. But the final solution actually. So it will erase all your mobile data. So if you lost your mobile also no problem. Anybody cannot get your data after you tap on this factory reset. That's it guys. If you like the video, please hit like button and please click subscribe my channel. For more upcoming videos, please hit bell icon. Thank you guys. Thank you very much. Thanks for your time.